from our view. Welcome to another room tour. I'm your boy E Money.
I'm Miss America.
And we are in the beautiful Zanzibar, Tanzania, Africa.
Africa.
It's our first time ever in Africa. This is our first resort that we ever booked here on this continent. And I'm super excited. Can't wait to show you guys the room. So, yeah, I'm just excited. Let's just go in here. Enough of us talking.
Yep.
Oh, what room we in, babe?
Oh, we are in room 413.
413.
This is the Deluxe.
Deluxe
Say
suite.
nothing.
The Deluxe
I don't know.
suite.
Yeah, I was saying, I just know Deluxe.
Deluxe. Oh yeah.
And these are the keys that also come with beach house. But yeah, you want to tap it and go.
You come into this nice hallway. Beautiful looking hallway. What's the first room on the left?
This is the bathroom.
Where it go down.
It's heavily used.
I feel good.
One thing I like in particular about this bathroom is that it's a his and hers bathroom. So in the bathroom you got his side, with his stuff and his goods.
I'm pretty sure y'all can guess whose side it's to. I mean, look.
This is my super organized side over here.
Oh, look at this. Look at this.
Okay, so that's my makeup brush and everything. And that's all my makeups and my body washes and all that. Alright, you have to zoom in that close to mine. It's like, come on. See?
Look at all of this.
Alright, I need all of it.
Jesus Christ, that's for one
I need
human.
all of it.
That's for one human being.
So over here, you got the toilet, and you got like the little thing if you want to.
I love that.
You can hold on.
It's like a throne. It's literally like a throne.
Yeah, I keep catching him in here, just sitting on the toilet.
Hey, sitting on the toilet.
Sitting on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet.
And this, I really don't quite know.
I don't trust it. I don't trust it
It
at
looks
all.
like a booty wash, y'all.
That's what you water the grass with.
It's a booty. Let me see. Come closer.
Whoa.
I see.
The toilet is wrong. Yo.
Look, it's getting soapy.
Is that
It's
the
soapy.
toilet? Is that the toilet cleaner?
No, that's a booty washer. Look, I'm gonna look it up. Hold on, Google it.
That's a toilet cleaner. That can't be for your butt.
Listen, I Googled it. Booty washer.
That's a.
See,
Okay.
they got the same thing for their booty washer right here.
Look, you can't be trusting Google with
It
everything.
says it's called a bum gun.
A bum. A bum gun.
Yeah, it looks like you're supposed to spray it on your booty. Your booty. Yeah, it's something else, a fancy word that starts with B, but I like bum gun too.
Bum gun is funny. So like you said, his and hers is lit. What else we got over here?
You got the shower over here,
Okay.
and it's pretty lit too. The reason I like it because not only is it enclosed, even though it's not close to the ceiling, you have a fan in here, so it doesn't really ever get foggy or smoothed out. So I could be doing my makeup, and he could be showering, and I don't have to worry about it getting steamy and messing anything up at all. Oops, sorry, my bum.
Okay.
And then that's the hot water, you just turn it to the left, and the cold water, you turn it to the left too. And I don't know why they got this joint down here, honestly. Like a little foot washer.
Oh, for what?
And it's just a shower, it's not like you feel it. I don't understand. You know what? We'll research it later. We'll research
The
it.
rinse.
The little rinse. So
Mm.
this is our beautiful tub in the bathroom. And I know this is not supposed to be for food, but this is gonna be the best thing if you put the food, your snacks on it, y'all. If you get in it, let me show y'all. You get in this joint, cause it's jacuzzi too. But you get in this joint with the water and the jacuzzi bubbles. See, you got the jacuzzi bubbles.
We finally brought jacuzzi bubbles on our trip, y'all. Finally.
So
That's
you
how
get
you
in
use the
here,
shower gel.
you get in here, you relaxing, you got the little neck press joint right here, and then could you imagine your hot Cheetos and your cheese curls and your apples and
Not
pears
the
and
hot
oranges. Yeah, all them drinks right here, and you just eat them while you relax.
I don't think TSA is gonna let us bring hot Cheetos to any other country. I think leave that back in America.
You wouldn't know.
You need help out, babe?
Show 'em, why? Oh, look, it's a thing right here.
What's his name?
It's like a little shower head in here too, so you can rinse off certain body parts.
That's good.
That's cool too. Okay, and then that's the fan that's much
Thank
needed.
God for that fan.
We got it running 24/7 for all
Yeah.
the times I keep catching my head.
Yeah, that just stays on, y'all. You know,
It's so nice.
It's really nice. I love it.
Oh, you can hang up your robes back here too. 'Cause
Okay.
they did give us robes.
Yeah. It's showing what we got right here and here.
All right, let's show his closet. So this is the his and hers closet, yo. So it comes with some extra pillows up there. There's a blanket on the left side too, but this is E-Money Ball side. He got his nice size robe right here. He got all his little outfits for his birthday time, because it's his birthday time. Dirty clothes in the bottom. And then he got all these clothes right here. There's a whole lot of gang stuff, like a whole lot of stuff. Then they got the safe, which we keep nothing important in, because we don't use it. And then this is my closet. It's not nothing much to it. It's just...
Dang!
Shut up. Shut up.
Jesus Christ.
Stop it.
We're only here for... It's like,
Shut up.
Oh, good. We got the iron.
Uh-huh. And then they also gave us these nice little slippers to wear too.
Oh, yeah, that's good. Okay.
But yeah, so we got all of our stuff hanging up. I got the heels on the top row, so we good for that. And then on this side, we got the little fridge or whatever. I don't think it really worked though, because I think it's supposed to be ice up here, but it's water in here.
Yeah, maybe we gotta turn up the freezer part or something. I don't know.
We ain't gonna use it anyway.
Yeah, we're not.
I wonder what this for. It looks like you put eggs in it.
Yeah, like.
Don't it?
Uh huh.
Yeah. And then you got some more plushware up there. Now in this room, you're gonna see a lot of these different outlets. You're gonna have to buy a converter before you get here. Get this conversion, because almost every single place does not have a way to charge your American stuff. I even bought a converter.
Or the UK stuff.
Yeah, I even bought a converter for the UK and for America, and neither one of them work. So
Yeah, they have like one outlet in here that's a full adapter.
Just one.
Hey, that one will get us through.
For all of the equipment that we got, just one. And then here is the thermostat. I don't know what temperatures it's in, but
It's in Celsius.
I don't know that person. We don't use him.
Yeah, super American, y'all. Sorry, Fahrenheit's out here.
Wham. What's up, E-Money Balls?
What's good, y'all? What's going on? It's your boy E-Money, and I'm gonna show y'all the rest of the room. Yo, this room is perfect. It's perfect size. We got a nice full mirror right here that you're gonna see Miss America standing in front of for a while. We got the nice coffee maker, coffee machines right here, and this is a chest. Ooh, I didn't even see what's in the chest. Ooh, okay, we got all the sugar, spice, and everything nice in there. You know what I mean? They got they got the creamer and everything for your coffee. What's this tea?
I used this already, or it wasn't like this.
Africafe.
I like the way they did that.
That's fire. Instant coffee. So we got this desk right here. This is where I keep all of our stuff at. The GoPro, the drone, and all that stuff, speakers and all that. So we got all the stuff right here. And I had to bring this with me. I don't know if you guys ever had these before. These protein cookies, white macadamia nut, fire. I had to get the whole box. Anyway.
And they're vegan.
They are vegan.
Thank you.
Shout out to the vegans out there. There's some more stuff over here. I mean, we got, this is my laptop. We got the nice little architecture bowl things. Hopefully nothing's in there because they put a
They look fancy.
I don't know if this is something or this is just a stand.
I feel like maybe you could just sit your booty on it. And all these lights is functional too.
Oh yeah, all the nice lights are functional, like she said, really good. Has nice TV right here, which we're probably never going to use. But yeah, the bed. Yo, we got the nice, keep the bugs out curtains. You know what I mean? The keep the bugs out curtains. But it really wasn't that bug infestation in here for real. It was not bad. All right, come on in. We got a nice fan up here. You know what I mean? I like to have the fan on when I'm asleep, no matter what the temperature is outside.
And look how high the ceilings is, honey. You is
Yes.
real tall, so for them to be all the way up there.
Yeah, really high ceiling, which is dope. We got the nice lamps by the bed as well too that are functional. We got this nice decor, you know, bowl. You know, you can't put your food on there unless, you know, zero gravity. But the bed, super nice and firm. I normally like fluffy, soft kind of bed, but this junk took me out. I mean, I was out like a light.
Like a light.
Hey.
Like a light.
Hey.
Out like a light, like a light, like a light, like a light.
We got two balconies. Let's show you guys the first balcony. Right over here behind Miss America.
Okay, I'm trying to get there.
I'm joking. All right. So, here is the first balcony. Amazing view. Like we said before, we're in Zanzibar, which is an island off the country of Tanzania. Yeah, this resort is amazing. They got golf here, tennis here, spa here,
Water sports.
a nice little bungalow situation, plenty of bars and lounges, infinity pools, you know, the works. So, but you know me, I like to come out here and just relax and chill, taking this nice, beautiful breeze. But this is just, like I said, the mini balcony. Let's show you guys the main attraction.
This is the main attraction out here. Ooh, that's perfect over right here. So out here on the balcony, we have 2 seats where you can relax. They are smoking friendly, so you actually can smoke cigars or whatever you like to smoke while you're out here, and it's not illegal.
Bruh.
Thank God for my reefer, man.
And so me and my E-Money Boss and we sitting here looking at the wind blow, looking at the birds and the monkeys, cause they do got a monkey out here. We at least heard one of them, and saw him jumping back and forth.
Yeah. This is probably my second favorite room that we ever stayed in.
Agreed.
Nothing is gonna beat the Jamaican penthouse. Except,
I ain't gonna lie, this got a lot of stuff packed in it.
Yeah.
Honestly, not to be a penthouse.
yeah, for this not to be a penthouse, this is pretty penthouse-ish. It's lit. We have the top floor, you know, overseeing the beautiful water. Nice privacy, you know. I don't feel like we're, you know, over top of too many people or anything like that. It's beautiful out here, you know what I mean? It's lit.
The birds are chirping. Bird. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. The birds are chirping.
Okay. Anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in to our room tour here in Zanzibar, Tanzania. You know what I mean?
Tanzania. Mm-hmm.
Tanzania. Yeah, I think we're just gonna go with that. And make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to the video if you haven't already. Like, comment, subscribe to the video.
And
please.
hit the bell.
Yes,
hit the bell, please.
Hit the notification bell. That would really greatly help out our channel. But we got some more things to show you guys here in Zanzibar, Tanzania. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching.
We see y'all later. Bye, y'all.